Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fauji Days. We are really excited and honored to have our most loved guest with us today, yet again, Lieutenant General Tiny Taylor. Welcome, sir. Welcome to Fauji Days. So, sir, of course, Kitne Ghazi Aaye, Kitne Ghazi Gaye has been a national bestseller. It has broken records when it comes to both military publishing and military readership rather. So now we are talking with you just when the next book is about to come out, which is Wafadari, Imandari, and Zimmedari. So, sir, first of all, what is this book all about, and how is it different from Kitne Ghazi Aaye, Kitne Ghazi Gaye?
Good day, Mac, and good day to all your viewers. And first of all, before we start this, I must thank my readers or thank the military readers who have made Kitne Ghazi Aaye, Kitne Ghazi Gaye the success which it is. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. And that encouragement gave me a push to write another book. This book, Wafadari, Imandari, Zimmedari, War Room to Boardroom, is a narration where military leadership ethos, which a young soldier or a young officer imbibes the day he joins NDA, IMA, OTA or the regimental training center. उस दिन से लेकर के जब तक वो अपनी चिता पे नहीं जाता, तब तक के जो ईथोस उसमें है, जो उसमें जो एक ऑनर कोड है, एक जज्बा है जो देश के लिए, उस जज्बे को हम सिविल लाइफ में या स्टूडेंट लाइफ में या कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में या इंटरनल लाइफ में या किसी भी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में कैसे उस जज्बे को ऑब्जॉर्व करके वी कैन बिकम अ बेटर पर्सन, बेटर इंटर्न, बेटर स्टूडेंट, बेटर टीचर, better professional,
right?
But above all, a better Indian. So in this book, I've tried to put all those military leadership ethos with anecdotes, with examples, with relevance, how they can be used in the civil life or a corporate life.
Right.
That's how the title, Wafadari, Imandari, Zimmedari, War Room to Boardroom. So very exciting book. In fact, I must confess here, I don't read my book, do read my writing for a second time after I've written it. And I don't even do draft writing.
Right.
So once I wrote it, submitted to my editor, and once my editor returned it to me with few odd things here and there, yesterday or day before, I was going through the whole script.
Yeah.
Just going over it once again. And you won't believe it, I had tears in my own eyes reading my own script.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
That is the power and the strength of this book, Wafadari, Imandari, Zimmedari. I can say.
Wonderful, sir.
I think बड़े दिल से लिखी है, जज्बात से लिखी है.
बिल्कुल.
And I guarantee it's going to be a very good read.
I'm sure, sir. I'm sure, sir. जो चीज़ें दिल से लिखते हैं, of course, उसका impact अलग होता है. वो readers तक भी पहुँचती है बात. I'm very sure of that. So, sir, leadership पे तो वैसे बहुत books लिखी गई हैं, and even this, the fact that you mentioned, you know, how you can incorporate values of the military life into your regular life. Books have been written on this, but what makes Wafadari, Imandari, Zimmedari different from all of them?
Mac, what a question! And you know, this myth or this aspect. There are a lot of theories on leadership, there are a lot of books on leadership.
Yes.
You know, when I was writing this book, when I got down to writing this book last September, this thing came to my mind for the first thing. And I handled it in the first chapter itself. And guess what? When I went down to researching about various leadership theories and all those things, and the most of the prominent ones, the prominent leadership theories, when I got them and jotted them down, and I looked at them and I said, यार ये कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी तो मेरे को किसी ना किसी ने तो पढ़ाया होगा इसके बारे में.
Right.
Someone would have taught me this in NDA, in IMA, in my young officers course or somewhere. And I don't remember even a word of anything. I don't even remember a single name of those theories. And here I am, supposed to be a reasonably person who has done well as a leader. And then when I went into the reverse engineering, whatever I have done in life, all the practical aspects of leadership, they are there in those theories in some way or the other. But those are theoretical theories. They are not the practical aspects of life. What this book brings out, and my point you made, what makes it different, this book brings out that leadership by example is different than leadership on paper.
Absolutely.
When you say, mere piche move, when 100 people or 1,000 people or 5,000 people move behind you without even questioning your integrity, your thought process, your ability to lead, that is what wafadari, imandari, zimmedari of those people who are coming behind you comes in, and that puts the responsibility on the leader.
True.
You
Absolutely.
know, मेरे लिए ये 3 शब्द, मेरे पीछे move, are a honor code.
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं 3 शब्द बोल रहा हूँ और मेरे पीछे इतने जवान या ऑफिसर्स आ रहे हैं जिनके घर में परिवार हैं,
बिल्कुल
तो मेरे ऊपर एक जिम्मेदारी आती है.
बिल्कुल.
मैं उन लोगों के प्रति वफादार होना जरूरी है. मुझे अपने टास्क में ईमानदार होना जरूरी है. Such like things, it just came out. Such like things makes this book absolutely different from theoretical books on leadership or any other book on personal leadership.
Absolutely.
It's a wholesome book. Wholesome.
I think that's a good word to describe it.
So this
Definitely.
3 words are very powerful. I didn't realize till I started writing it. Very powerful. And these 3 words are a DNA. DNA of every soldier, every officer of Indian Army. That's what sets them apart.
That's very true.
I'm very, very happy to have written this book. Of course, Kitne Ghazi Aaye is a different book. But I never felt this proud having written Kitne Ghazi. But I'm feeling very nice.
I'm so
If
glad.
one youngster picks up this book and reads and benefits from it,
Wonderful.
I would have achieved my.
Wonderful. Very interesting. So you've talked about the fact that it differentiates in terms of its practicality. You've written it from your own experiences. And of course, leadership is at the core of this book, and it kind of defines like a step-by-step process of how to actually become a good leader. And the fact that leaders, just like you've said, and a phrase I really like, that leaders emerge from situations, right? They are not created. So what, according to you, I mean, can you share any anecdote, any personal instance from the book or in your life otherwise where you have kind of shown how this emergence of a leader actually happens?
This emergence of a leader from a crowd, from a team, from a situation is a very authentic, sort of a process.
Yeah.
You cannot create a leader. You cannot make a leader. Leaders are not born in a leader's family. Leaders emerge. And you asked for an anecdote. I got reminded of an incident when I was a corps commander in Kashmir. It was winters of 2019-2020. And there was an operation going on in South Kashmir. And the small team, there was an officer, there was a JCO and about 10-12 boys. And probably the junior most in that team was a Jawan with not more than 3 years service. And this operation went in, and the team commander broke this scheme into one buddy pair, making an inner cordon. They were going and hitting a hideout in the jungle. In 5 feet, 6 feet of snow. There were terrorist hideout inside the jungle, which we had a very confirmed information. This team reached there undetected, and they encircled that hideout. 3 buddy pairs were put. So 6 boys gone here with a JCO, and the officer with another 2 boys was going in for the kill.
Right.
Was hitting the hideout. And it was early morning, and the surprise was total. But somehow one of the terrorists had gone out probably to, answer the morning call or nature's call, and he saw this whole thing. When the team was thinking that they have total surprise and the hit team under the officer was closing in, this terrorist opened fire from about 100 meters.
Oh my God.
He fired from 100 meters. One of the team members of the hit team got hit and they were pinned down. Now the team was in a slightly lower area, and the commander himself was under fire. Okay. Now at this time, the commander is supposed to analyze the whole thing, take control of situation, make readjustments, return the fire. But he was under effective fire himself. This is the time when that 3 years of service, Jawan must not be more than 20 years of age.
Right.
He could see this terrorist but not the line of sight and the line of aim was not very clear. He slided on the snow for good about 15-20 meters without orders, totally self-initiative. Slided on the snow, came to an area where he can take a shot, took a pot shot on that terrorist. Now, this is initiative.
Yes,
This is
I
zimmedari.
agree.
So this Jawan had no instruction to do this, but as a team member, it was his responsibility
Yeah.
to be part of this team and save this team from danger. उसने अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाई. ये तो उसका काम सिर्फ इतना था कि क्वार्टर में बैठा रहे. He would have been safe if he had not given out his position. He not only changed his position, he went there and he engaged the terrorist. And his buddy partner, who was senior to him in service, he followed him. So he realized कि मेरा buddy गया, मेरे को साथ जाना है.
बिल्कुल.
But this is जिम्मेदारी. So such like examples have been given. But that why 20 years has shown what it takes to be a leader. He assumed the role of leadership in absence of orders. Now that is self-driven, wafadari, imandari, zimmedari. And there are many such examples, anecdotes, real-life anecdotes in this book.
How wonderful, sir.
Imagine in a corporate scenario, there's a team, there's a leader, and they have a project, maybe it's a production project, sales, marketing, or whatever. And everyone is thinking leader will take the decision. Now here is a smart guy or a girl. She comes out with something and makes the team a hit. Now she or he has emerged
As a leader.
as a leader from the team of 8, 5, 10, whatever
Sure.
it is. So this is how this value system can be transported from military war room to civil boardroom or a civil classroom or even in homes, in kitchens. Working mothers to raising up the children. Homemaker mothers, how to raise the kids, can learn a lot of leadership lessons from this book. So it's these anecdotes I can go on telling, but I think more important is the concept.
Yeah.
जो उसका जज्बात है ना, उनको समझना भी जरूरी है, उनको अपने आप में समाना भी जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
It's a very touchy book.
Absolutely.